I am making pineapple fried rice. I was inspired by Miss Trudy. In one of her vlogs she posted a while ago, she made pineapple fried rice, and I mentioned in the comment section, I told her, I said, Miss Trudy, I'm going to try making that pineapple fried rice because I haven't had pineapple fried rice before. And anyway guys, let's cook. Poor lighting or not, we are cooking today. If it's your first time here, hello and welcome. My name is Cynthia, and don't leave without subscribing. I'm trying to get my channel up to 10,000 subscribers, and I'm trusting you guys can do it. So please guys, subscribe to my channel and let's cook. Hey guys, you will need spring onions, long red pepper, onions and garlic, salad pepper of various colors. I use red and green here. You will need mixed vegetable, shrimp, and of course our pineapple. This is the main thing for this recipe, pineapple. Okay guys, I started first by washing my pineapple. As you guys can see, I use salt and vinegar, and I made sure I washed my pineapple very well because in the shop you don't know how these have been stored anyway. So yeah, wash your pineapple. Then I rinse again under running water. Next guys, I will show you how I cut the pineapple, or basically let you guys watch this part of the video and let the video explain. So guys, as you can see, I cut the pineapple into small cubes, and to get all the pineapple off of that pineapple, I used a spoon to scoop it out. And this guys is what I have left of the pineapple. Okay guys, this is my chopped pineapple. Now I have my empty pots of pineapple. I will show you guys at the end of this video what I did with this part of the pineapple. Okay guys, let's cook. I started by melting a little bit of butter to fry the pineapple. I let the pineapple fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay guys, using the same oil, I then fried the shrimp. Guys, try this out. Frying shrimp in butter. The aroma is breathtaking. In my opinion, if you are on a diet, a strict diet, you may likely break your diet for this meal. Okay guys, I let this fry for about 5 to 8 minutes. Next guys, with a little oil, I started by frying the onions and the spring onions. I let this fry for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I added in the garlic and the chopped pepper. I let that cook for 10 minutes. And voila guys, voila, it is time to add in our mixed veg. I prefer adding in the mixed veg lastly because they cook very fast, and also we need a nutrient to be in the food. Okay guys, I'm also going to check on my rice. I use basmati rice for this recipe. However, you can use any rice of your choice. And guys, these are my spices. However, you can use any spices of your choice. We all have different taste buds. And lastly, guys, I get in my chopped pineapple and my shrimp. I mix together, let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And guys, look at my sauce sizzling. You can have this sauce with white rice, you know, but hey, we are making pineapple fried rice, so it is time for me to add in the rice. So guys, this is how I made this dish. And guys, it came out so delicious. It was super delicious. I loved it. My kids loved it. If you do try out this recipe, let me know how yours turned out in the comment section. And if you watch the video to the end, thank you so much. I appreciate. And I will see you guys in another video. Hey guys, if you found this recipe beneficial, please do give the video a thumbs up. And of course, guys, share the video. There is love in sharing. Anyway, guys, have an amazing day ahead and bye now.